Everyone able to see my screen? So what is the sequential each iteration?
Sequential, it is every user to pick a first value. Right? Every user to pick a first data point value.
First data point, yes.
Yes.
Data point value. Yes. Each iteration nothing but
Each iteration it is in up,
it
updated
update the every iteration.
every iterations, right?
What is the random?
Randomly, it will take some random values where it is if server where
Any one of the any one of the data point.
yes.
In any one of the data point it will be randomly.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the unique?
Unique it is nothing but the user pick the only unused first data point value only. User has to pick unused data point only. First unused data point.
Actually, it's disconnecting from your end side or my end side.
I think some echo disturbance from your side, Kiran. Some
Disturbance
yes, some disturbance means
disconnected.
disconnected means some echo sounds. Little bit lightly sounds like fan sound something.
Okay. Okay, now it's fine, right?
Now it is
Yeah.
better compared to previous.
Okay. Yeah. So you asked like date and time, right? So we are doing from the parameterization first. Okay. Which will we are doing expire date. Okay. And properties. And we can select from the file type is the date and time. So here you want from the current date means don't select anything, or if you select from the based on from the which format yours, you can select that format is fine. Okay, so then you will get from the current date. But I want from the future date means you can select from the offset how many days you want future date, you can give from the here. If you want date means time means like number of days means you can give from the number of days here. Maybe you are have to change from the timings also means you can give from the timings also how much you want future also we can give. Okay, so when you are select from the offset only, but if you select from the offset along with the period to current date, it is going to the past date. Current date to minus, it is going to the how many days you want you can give. When you are select from the only offset, current date plus how many days you want from the past date or like future date. Okay, it's clear.
Okay.
And here we have the properties here also will be there date and time. We have the each occurrence, each iteration and once. Okay, so here you can observe each iteration means we know that like every time you want to from the like iteration you want change means you can say select from the each iteration is good thing. And occurrence nothing but in your scenario you are replaced from the this date and time is a two places, then what will happen? First time it will be some date and next time will be some different occurrence will be updated value is pick. So maximum date and time is never used from the occurrence property. Based on from the your requirement is the worst case you can use occurrence, and once nothing but it will first time what value is pick, I want to continue from the till end of the any iteration, then you can select from the once property. Okay, based on from the your
Your voice
kindly
is
can execute and you can try. Yeah, now is clear, right? Hello.
yeah. Hello, Kiran. Yes, please continue.
Sometimes what happen, I don't know why this internet connection is disconnecting again. I'm getting some beep sound also.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, so click on OK. Then you can do from the this. You can do from the date and time like this. Okay, it's clear, right? Date and time.
Yeah.
Now we are already done from the parameterization. So, but I want from the last week you told, right, same line as other parameter, one more property is there. So what is the same as other parameter? Nothing but, so what is the dependent value that will be there? That value will be in the same line you want to pick from that. Then we can select from the same line as other parameter. Like we can call it as a complex parameterization. So nothing but, so you can observe. So I want from the like this. Then we can do from the complex parameter.
Kiran,
Okay.
sorry for
Username.
interrupting.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Your screen got stuck. Now it
Sorry.
is now it is open in Notepad, right?
Yes. 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 Notepad only I open.
You are writing
You're
something.
able to see, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm writing something.
yeah. Now it is username and password is come. It is slowly coming from our side. Yeah, now it is
My
able to.
my network is good. Yeah, Abhishek, whatever about yourself, you can type in message if you are unable to. We are unable to hear your voice. You can type in SMS. You are getting any disturbance or you are getting any lag. Abhishek,
From my side also okay. My network also is also good.
see Abhishek typing something. We'll see. Yes, disturbance. Like Abhishek, okay, disturbance, that is fine. And you are able to it's disconnecting my connection like sometime. It's
It's
coming
coming
in before,
now.
but now just lag. Let me check 1 minute. And connecting. Yeah, now is I think good, right? Hello, now it's good, right?
Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay. So you are able to see the my screen notepad, right? Everyone.
Yes, yes. No, it is open.
So username and password. So like I want from the same line I want. For example, I want from the username is okay J2 and password will be some Kiran. 1 2 3 example. So means I want from the like this I want to. So this kind of parameterization we can call it as a complex parameterization. So how to we can do that complex parameterization means same way. Okay, there is no difference, but we are selecting from the property will be different. Okay, same way we can do from the parameterization. For example, we are doing from the username. You can select that and replace it with parameter and click on the create new parameter and give from the parameter name is the user name and click on the properties and click from the create table and click on OK. And here you can select from the by name. So which value we are doing, you can select from the username. And property you can select from the depends on the your requirement, you can select. Okay, and after that click on OK and click on on. So means dependent value will be there, that value we can add from the one by one. Like now you can do from the same way, you can do replace with parameter, create new parameter, and you are doing from the password, you can give from the password and click on properties. And now you can observe, so here last time we are click from the create table, now don't click from the create table. Now what is the our username, like password is depends on the home username, right? So that dot file we need to select, you can select from the username dot file. Okay, here you can observe, after you selected this, here we have the add column will be there. Click from the add column and column name is what column we are adding, password. Click on OK. See, it is came right. And by name you need to select from the which name we can select, password or username. Password only you can select. Here is the important thing, same line as some other parameter I told, right? Here if you select here, see same line as username, so means we are indicating that. So username what value will be there, same value you need to pick from the like password. So that is why you need to, so because no need to select from the now sequential random this, so directly you can select from the same line as username. That is the one more property. Okay, so you can do that and click on close and click on OK and no. So now you did this and you see, for example, again we are doing from the some other also will be there, like first name, this all also depends on the whom username, because first name, last name, address, these all everyone is depends on the whom username, right? Like so we can do from the same way, you can do from the here also, like first name, replace with parameter and create new parameter and give from the parameter name is the first name, f name, and click on properties. So don't select click from the create table. Now what we can do, dependent value, what is the our username dot is the file is the, this is the our parent. So in that you can click on the add column and add from the first name. See first name came, see first name data is came. Again here by name which one we need select,
Username. File name.
no,
First
first
name.
name,
First name. First name.
f name nothing but first name. And here we need to select from the which value,
Same line as the username.
username, because our dependent value will be these are password usually depends on the whom username. So that is why again we need select from the same line as username only. Okay, and click on close and click on OK and click on no. And next last name also we can do from the same way, create new parameter and give from the last name and click on properties and select from the which dot file, user dot file,
User.
and click on the add
Add.
column and add from the last name. See last name also came. And by name we can select from the which value you are doing, last name, you can select last name. And again here we need select from the same line as username param, because this all columns is depends on the whom username only, because that is the our parent. Click on close and click on OK and click on no. And next we can do from the address also, we can do from the same way. We can do replace parameter and create new parameter and give from the name address 1 properties and select from the dot file, parent dot file, and click on add column and OK. And now we can select from the user name or what,
Last address one.
Address one, yes. So here will be same line as username only. Okay, and click on close and click on OK and this. And next address 2. Replace parameter and the same process. Okay,
Last
so address 2 properties and click on the creatable or we can select from the our username dot file and add column and click on add to is the next, and here we need to select from the which one, add to address to, and here we can select from the same line as username and click on close and click on OK and no. Again next is a city, billing city. Again we can do from the same username dot file, click on add column and here also very important, which column you want you can select from the here. If you selected wrong, your parameterization value will be different and your script will be fail. And as same to the here also you want from the comma. See, if you can observe here, if you click here edit with notepad and you can observe it is like separating with the comma, and if you can change here, I want from the space. Okay, you can city we are not added.
Added.
Fail to read user store. Okay, space is not automatic. Okay, tab is working. You can observe. So we can select for anything is fine. Just our understanding point only. Just comma delimiter means if you select this only, we are able to see the properly. Like each and every column is a different line, and we can see the properly. So city also it is added, and same line as username. And click on close and click on OK and no. And next we can do from the this state dot also state and give from the name state and click on properties and username and add column and click on this and select from the which one, state param, and click on same line as username and click on OK and no. Now same we can zip also we can do from the same way because it is a part of the our username only, right? It means our user like pin code, so that is why that is also it is coming zip. And click on properties. Sorry,
User format.
add column and add this, and you can select from the ninth dot file is what is that zip code, and again we can select from the same line as
username.
username and click on close and click on OK. And last we have one more country also will be there, right?
Yes,
We can
yes.
do this country also, replace with parameter and create new parameter and country, last value what country, and click on properties and select again from our first dot file and add column and click on OK and select from the country.
Country.
Okay, and next property same line as username and click on close. So click on OK and no. So now we are done the parameterization like this. Okay, now you can observe if you go to the parameters and see all values we did, and if you click from the edit with notepad, every value it is coming from the same line. So see, you can observe username, password, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city. So we can do from the this is the way you can do. So now you can add from the how many you want, means you can like you have the data, you can copy and paste it, and you can add from the how many rows you want, you can add. Okay, like this you can add. Okay, just I am adding from the same data only, you can add from the different data. Okay, so we can add from the like this and you can save this. Okay, see, now I added from the 6 rows. So depends on the our requirement how much data we want, you can add from the that much data. Now this is the our complex parameterization. Real time maximum we can do from the this way. Okay, it is the individually means we can do from the starting what I told, right? Same way you can do. And here no, don't select from the this all values is a different parameter like a sequential random. So this is from the like you can only username only you can select from the which one you want, like sequential or random unique you can select from the based on this it will be your properties will be work from the same line as some other parameter. Okay, everyone is clear this? Okay,
Yes.
so now
Suppose,
what?
suppose
Yes, yes,
I
please.
have one. Suppose
Yes,
username and password is some different user to user. So on that time we did not select it every time in parent username that file.
different means.
Suppose J2E is there. Second user
Hmm.
J2WE1 is there on that time.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, it is a username password, whatever may be.
Mhm.
Okay, definitely username password will be different every
Yes.
user, right?
Yes.
So main thing is important is the username is our parent,
Okay.
because this password first name last name if it is a different, so just I copied this, so just to unable to add from the 1 2 3, right? So just I copy paste it from the like rows point of view only, every time
Okay.
same no need. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so it will
Got it.
J1, W1, 2, 3, 4, ABC1, ABC2, 3, XY, X1, 2, 3, some next road 1, road 2, road 3. So you can change, that is no need. If it is same also no problem. It's a different also is no problem. It is a we are doing from the complex parameterization using from the same line as other parameter property.
Okay. Got it.
Got it, right?
Uh-huh.
And this data is important for us. Like you are providing this data means, okay, username password if you provide from the different, like my name is Kiran 123, if you are able to log in, if you provide here valid data, so means we need to provide from the valid username valid password. So means that is why when you are giving this data, we need to like you are getting from the where you are getting that is a valid or not also we need to check. Okay, for example, if you go to the application, okay, this J2W is there, okay, that is fine. Maybe J2W1 you are given, so that username will be there, then only your script will be passed, because you are unable to log in, then you are able to do the transactions. No, right?
No, not
So
able.
means that is why we need provide from the valid data, valid test data. So that data you can do from the different way we can do. Already I explained. So one is from the we need to ask from the our we
Developer.
need to ask from the our teammates, our client, or we can ask otherwise if it is a database will be there, we can ask from the database team. So if it is you don't have from the any team, then like your previous data you don't have, and DB also not there, like database team also not providing from the data. Then next step will be ourself we can prepare from the, if it is a like each and every application must be sign up will be there, yes or no,
Yes.
right? Every application must be sign up will be there, because when as the developer is developing, he will definitely give from the register now or sign up will give. So means ourself we can record our step. First will be launch the application, and after click on the sign in button, and after click from the register now button, and enter from the details and create from the user. Okay, so this script also we can do. Okay, first we'll try with the manually, one user will create. Okay, um, we'll create from the Jojo, and the password I'm giving from the bean, and again it is asking, and first name again Jojo, and last name some bean. Okay, and phone number. Okay, and address one, and all details I provided, and save my information. Yeah, this sign up will be some problem will be there. Update. Okay. So let me check again. So I click for that, but we got from the some 500 internal server error. We'll check really that is created or not. We'll check. I think it is we got error. Definitely it is not created. Yeah, the invalid username password. Okay, maybe this application we are getting that, and we'll try with the that one. Okay, which we'll see the web tour we are able to do or not. We'll see. Okay, so we have this is application. You can observe sign up now will be there. If you click this and enter from the details, okay, just I'm providing from the details. Okay, yeah, now we can observe we, we are able to log in or not. We'll check. Okay, if you click continue, see login is done. If you sign off, and again you can try this name, this user is created or not, you can observe. Yes, and given from the hot. Yeah, see, now only I created, right? So our job what means, this is the done from the manually, but what we can do means we can prepare our test data ourselves using from the sign up now. So what are the steps we need to perform means, so you can write from the some steps. Okay, first step, launch the application. Okay, through recording we can do launch the application. Again, second step, click on sign up, and third step, enter details like first name, last name, and username, password also. And fourth one, click on continue. Okay, and finally will be log out. So these steps we can record using from the our user, and after complete from record the write. Okay, if you click here, right, you are doing this, right? So these all values you need to do from the like correlation, like for username, password, first name, last name, street address, and city and state. You can give from the anything. And now you can prepare the data. How to you can prepare the data means, okay, so take from the any Excel. See, for example, some data is already there. Just I'm opening for understanding point of view. Okay. So, like your name also you can give, and you can create from the maximum 50 to 100. You can try using from the our views and only we can try. So, I will open the test data script also. Not sure this. So you can observe we are created from the username password. So this user already not there. Okay, this user already not registered user. So I'm preparing from the username password means once you done this, right, you can give from this data, and we can import also we can do. Otherwise you can copy paste also you can do. Like how to you can do means, like you are open, right, like you can open with the, okay, if after create from the Excel, open with, you can open with the notepad. See, it is a delimiter, comma delimiter means when you are saving this Excel, save with the comma delimiter, then you are able to see this, and just you can copy paste in the your notepad. How many values you want, you can just copy, and same thing you can copy in the your notepad. See, now you can observe this is the test data script. Okay, already I recorded, and I have. Okay, you can observe this is the launch. So now you can observe I did from the launch, and after that, like sign up button. Okay, not login. Okay, and you see sign up, and after that you can observe we are entered from the username, password again, first name, last name, address 1, address 2 we are given. So these all details you are preparing. So if you go to the parameters, means we can do from the complex way I did, and after that I added from the this data previn 1, previn 2 I added. So this data is not available in the our, like it is not a registered user. Then I want to this data I want to create a, like for example how many we have, for example 12 means what you can do means you can execute from the 12 times here. Okay, you can give from the run logic, and you can give from the 12 iteration. Then what will happen, right, 12 data is created for us. Okay, one data I will show you your understanding point. Maybe this data already is there, we can change from the some data and we'll try. Okay, okay, I will give from the Akbar. Okay, this is not there. Okay, now I'm creating Akbar 1 and comma and username, and next is the password and first name. Okay, sk Akbar. Okay, Shake where? Okay, shake, right? Is it correct or different? Whatever. Okay, just I'm giving. Okay. First name again Akbar only, right?
No, you can Sayed.
Sayed, okay, okay, no problem. I give. SHAID.
SYED.
SYED. ED.
Yes.
Okay, Sayed. Yes, right. Okay, and first name I given, last name I given, and we have a address one. Okay, address. Where is your address?
Hyderabad only. Nellore actually.
Okay.
Nellore. Okay.
Yeah.
Hyderabad
Okay.
already
No
you
problem.
have given, you can give a NLR. Okay. Nellore.
Okay. Address to I will give from the NLR for you. Okay. NLR. Address one, address two is done. Okay. So I think all parameters done, right? So this data I will repeat. Okay. So you can observe. So you can do from the this way. What will happen means it will take time, right? For example, I want from the 100 users. So it will take time. So what we can do means simple way. Like you can open from the one Excel and just give from the like same thing. The control V, what will happen? Okay, everything it is coming from the same line. Okay. We'll give from the like first name, last name, what names we are given, right? Same thing you can copy and paste it from the there. Okay. Okay, why I'm copying this means maybe some spelling mistakes, anything is be right, it will be, see some commas it is going double comma. Okay, again Akbar and Syed.
NLR Nellore.
Okay, so what I'm doing is give from the one password and this. What we can do, we can change only this name and password. You can keep the same also, no problem, right? You can keep same, or if you want change means you can change also, no worry. Okay, here you can give one and you can give from the one. We'll change names, will be better thing. So just our understanding point of view, data how to we can create means maybe we can drag, it will coming or not. First we'll check. Yeah, 2 3 4, yeah, it coming, right? You can observe. So you can do from the how much data you want, you can do it. Okay, I want from the 60, you can do it, and after that don't copy here, you can save this first thing. So when you are saving this, right, you can save it as a with delimiter. Okay, see, this is the CSC comma delimiter already is there. You can just save this. It is asking from the replace file. Yes. Okay, click on OK, and we'll close this. Already is open. Okay, this is ours, right? Okay, no problem. This. Okay, now we'll go here and we'll open again this one and open with notepad. See, now data is ready. Means simple way ourselves we can create, like we can manually means it is take time, right? So now this data we can copy paste in our script. Already we have open, right? Yeah, this one, right? Now we can remove this data, paste it. See how much data we want, you can paste. And here no spaces. Okay, come to the first line. Okay, you can give from the like this. Okay, and you can save the file. Save.
Space is there.
See space. Oh yeah, that space is fine. Okay, one space we need. Okay. Okay, now data is ready. If you observe here, everywhere should be already it is replaced. See, no need to come to the everywhere. Only can do from the parent. Everywhere should be automatically copied. Got it? Now what we can do means we can see first we'll check from the data. Really this data is there, not there, we'll check. Akbar and Akbar 1 is the first one, right? We'll check in the manually from the application. Okay. Akbar and one. So this user not there. Okay. So now we'll create from the through our script. Okay. I'm just done from the parameterization and I put the data. That's it. Okay. And now what you can do means you can save this, and what we can do means just will you can like you how much data you are added you can do from the 100 iteration means there is no problem here. Now I am doing from the 10 iteration and we'll observe from the 10 iteration using our script is created or not, we'll observe. See, just I am replay the script. So you can observe also here it is creating data. If you are getting anything means you will get error also in the screen. Like you can observe Akbar 1 creating thank you from the thank you are getting right. See 10 iterations created. Now you can check from the like this user. See now it's created.
It's created.
Through our script we are created means so this one will be no need to depend from the anyone. Ourselves we can create from the our script. So when you are doing maximum sign up script we can do from the parameterization, that's fine. Because what data you need you can do from that data as a parameterization, and you can give from the what data is not there in the application as a not a registered user, you can provide those data and use from the yourself.
Okay.
So this is the some easy way we can do from the our data ourselves, no need to depend from the anyone.
So using load runner.
Using load runner. Okay. Using load runner we can do, using from the JMeter any tool we can do. Okay.
Using
But yeah, using from the like JMeter also we can do, right? CSV parameter data set. I think you know, I don't know. We will see later. Okay. So we can do from the this way, and you can prepare data. So now these data. So what data you are prepared from the 10 data, right? These 10 data we can put it from the as a, because this is the test valid test data, because we are created means this is already inserted in the application. So this data you can use from the universe script. Like when you are doing from the C you can observe. So if you do from the this script also we can observe, I think. Okay, you can observe, and we are clicking, and this is the just selecting from this, right? So you can observe first name last name. So this data and username and password you can do, and what data you need that data, so you can parameterize, and their place you can copy pasting from the using from the complex parameterization. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, so like this you can do from the your scripting. So you guys what you can do means today assignment everyone like sign up that script is failing because manual itself you are getting 500 internals error means this application side issue. Okay, clearly. Okay, so that is why we are unable to create from the as a pest or user. Okay. Okay, so that is why we are unable to create from the data here. So we have the web tour also, one of the application. We can record first will be application and do from the like parameterization, and after you can do from the two scripts. One is test data script, one is normal script. After create this data, you can put it from the web tool script and you can execute from the how many times you want. You can execute also. We can do it. See, like this you can put it. So for example, now already you are prepared that data, right? You can add from the here. Okay, and one more thing, if you are adding here, how many columns here, what are the their names, and same thing you need to give from the here also. Okay, but here is 9 columns will be there. You are given from the only 7. Then what will happen? After 8th, 9th, we don't have data. Then you will get from the error, right? So that is also very important for us. Like in like what data you are creating that data, and you can put it that only for here. Okay.
Okay. So here we require two scripts. One it is a data
one is
purpose.
test data. Yes, one is from the our actual script.
Okay. So whatever the data we have prepared, and we can use the
Actual script.
Actual script. Okay.
So this is the actually parameterization concept. Okay, so you guys can practice, okay, from this script, okay, today, and tomorrow like we'll discuss from the entire parameterization interview questions, along with the I will conduct from the system test from the everyone. Okay, you guys can record from the this application, or otherwise I will give from the different application. Okay. And you can after that you can try with the like test data script, and what data you have created, that data you can put from the our actual script and just execute 5 times or times, like system test also we'll see from the tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, Abhishek, you fine? You can message in group like chat window.
Abhishek is just now he is left.
Okay, no worry. Okay, just fine, right? Okay, we'll catch tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, Kiran.
Yeah, thank you, bye.
Bye. Good night.